ka San Kardev College Shillong kala pynlong ya ka Sngi Khublei Khatduh graduation day na bynta Shispa san phulai ngut ki Samla pule kibala pule bat pyndep ya ka bachelor's degree haus 6 hajar arpuwei hado arpusaw. Hakane ka lympung lawan long Kongsan da uba Dr A J Syngkon MP Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Konstituwensi. La pdiang Burom yau niu Nongmihkhmat paidbah da ka kong Eurika FP Lyngdoh principal ki nonghikai bat ki Samla pule jong kane ka college. Haka jingkren kumu Kongsan hakane ka lympung u Dr Syngkon ula pynkynmaw ya ki Samla pule da ka baong. Haba pila pyndep ya ka degree kamde ka ba syudon tang hasisla ikot hynrei ka tu ka kot ka yang sakhi tengkren ya ka jingtre shitom jongpi. Ka jing pyndep ya ka degree ka de ka dak kashin ka ba pen ishai ba phi lakiu ha ka jing nang jing tip bat ka perkhat perdan. U Dr Syngkon ulaya ro bat kitbok ya ki shispa san phulai ngut ki graduate jong kane ka college ba kin yai kiu irat ha ka jing im jong ki bat ha ki jing tre jing kta ha ki por bandang wan. Ha kani ka lympung la penkup Burom me ki Samla ki balawan syakmat ha ki subject baper ha ka examination baladep. Lapan kraw ya kani ka Sngi re ki jing lek men babun jat na ki Samla pule bat ki nonghikai.
A very good afternoon to each one of you present here. It is indeed a great moment for me to stand before you to announce to release this rival research which has been conducted by the Department of Political Science of San Kardev College on the topic Meghalaya Assembly Elections 2023, Issues, Agenda and Commitment of Political Parties. With this release, I am sure that whoever will go through this research, which is a very pertinent issue, I hope it will throw a lot of light and insight to all who are interested, especially in the field of politics. Thank you.
Please put your hands together to acknowledge the success of our students.
I am sure it will serve you well throughout your career and even in your personal life. I therefore stand here before you to encourage each one of you to pursue your passion with unwavering determination. Do not be afraid to take risks and step outside of your comfort zone. Remember that the greatest reward that often comes to each one of us, it comes from the greatest challenges. At this moment, I once again extend my best wishes to each one of you, and I hope that you will never forget the values, the principles that you have learned in the last 3 years that you were here in this college. My dear young friends, it is important for you to be compassionate, to be empathetic, and also to be responsible citizens of this great nation of ours. I request you to contribute positively towards your community, and may you strive to make a difference in this world that we are in. And we can do so. Nothing is impossible. These values, I am sure, will not only enhance your own career, but I'm sure it will also help in building an equitable, inclusive, and also a pluralistic society, as we all desire. Again, at this moment, let me take this opportunity to sincerely compliment your principal, Dr. Mrs. Eurika F. Lyngdoh, and all the faculty members, the non-teaching staff, who have guided putting. My dear young friends, your degree is not merely a piece of paper. It is a testament to your perseverance, a testament to your dedication, and also your potential. Each one of us here, we are all unique, and that is very important to understand that, to be proud of who we are, and to give the best to the world. Your degree is a symbol of the knowledge, a symbol of the experiences, and a symbol also of relationships that you have gained during your 3 years that you are here in this college. My dear young friends, I want you to remember that one of the purposes of education is to develop good human beings. This is one of the purposes of education, to develop good human beings who are capable of rational thinking and action, possessing compassion and empathy, courage and resilience, scientific temper, and a creative imagination, with sound integrity and values. This is a message for you, dear students. And my dear students, for those of you who will be moving out from the ambience of this campus, and I believe some of your friends, they are in some other places. That's why some of them were not present to receive their certificate, to receive their whatever the awards that the college has, the college is giving them. Well, dear students, once you step out of this campus, a new world of challenges lies ahead of you. And it is also a journey that promises endless possibility along with the challenges. And as you venture into the world, you will definitely encounter challenges, you will encounter setbacks, and also a world which is full of uncertainty. It is therefore important to embrace these as opportunity for growth and learning. My dear young friends, remember this, that failure is not a destination. Failure is not a destination. Failure is simply a stepping stone towards success. And the most successful individual are those who have learned from their mistakes and persevered in the face of adversity. My dear young friends, remember that the education that you've received over the last couple of years when you were here is not just about acquiring knowledge, rather it's more about developing critical thinking skill, problem-solving ability, and also a lifelong love of learning, because learning is always unending.
Today, the 2nd September 2024 is the College Foundation Day, and on this day, the college has completed 62 long years of service that it has rendered in the field of education. It therefore has a history of more than 6 decades, an experience of more than 6 decades, a continuity for more than 6 decades. Today, we look back with gratitude and we look ahead with a hope that is renewed, with a spirit that is courageous and a mind determined to provide the best of learning experiences. The present connects our history with our future, and we stand strong and will collectively endeavor to meet the challenges and expectations of the day. In this era of transition of higher education, where the National Education Policy 2020 have been implemented, whatever challenges that came up, we were able to overcome with collective action, professional preparation, and unstinted resolve, keeping in mind the need to provide our students quality and holistic education. Honorable Sir, I am happy to inform you that 1 year into this new journey, into the many opportunities of learning that NEP provides, we have been able to overcome initial challenges, and students have been the most valued beneficiaries.